Hey, hey, everyone. John here, and welcome back to the Super Awesome Geek Show. And today, I know this was promised. I showed pictures of it online maybe a week or two ago, probably almost 2 weeks ago now. But things just keep getting away from me, and I haven't had time to actually go through this. But now we have the time. So, I have right here a G.I. Joe Conquest X-30 in the box. This box is completely wrecked. He told me the box had seen better days, but was throwing it in anyways. I mean, there's a tear up on top where like a wing or something poked through, and you know, supposedly there's parts, there's pieces, there's the vehicle, no pilot. I don't think there's any inserts. I think it was just the ship. I don't even think there's stickers on it. Like, it's pretty much just the vehicle itself and all the parts in a box. So we're going to open this up, go through it, put the thing together, make sure we got all the parts and everything's working, and then, yeah, just like that, okay? Sure, yeah. So hopefully when we're done, we'll have a Conquest X-30 sitting here. This is something I have been wanting to get back in the collection for a long time now. I had a Conquest X-30 when I was a kid, and it disappeared in the move. It was one of those things that vanished on me through the years, probably in the move, I think. When I moved from New York to Seattle, I lost it's got to be more than like 3 boxes of G.I. Joe. For some reason, the only thing that survived was some of my Gen 1 Transformers and the first, like, 82, 83, some of the 84 G.I. Joes. But anything later than that must have been in other boxes that disappeared, and even half my Transformers disappeared because I arrived with Soundwave and Optimus Prime and the Jets, but, like, Megatron and Shockwave were gone. So they must have been in a box with some G.I. Joe stuff. So it was like some of my Transformers also disappeared during that move. But so long story short, I've been wanting to get this again. Finally found someone online who was selling it for a good price in one of the groups. And I took him up on the offer, and he said there were parts in here so we can make it all complete and look nice. And then I'm just going to have to track down a sticker sheet because I don't think there's any stickers on this. And I already have the pilot, so I'll go grab him actually, and we'll have a pilot with it because I don't think there's a pilot in here. But first, I think I want to do though is remind you guys to go to the Left Coast Graphics unboxing video right here on my channel. I will put a link in the description of this video, and I will pin a comment also telling you which video to go to, because you still a lot of people need to get in on this. There's quite a few, but I want more. So we're going to give away a Yoda pin from Left Coast Graphics and the backer board that goes with it, so you can put him on there. I've not opened these. This is exactly as it came from Rick at Left Coast. And we're also throwing in a sticker of Yoda from Rick at Left Coast. So if you want to get in on that drawing for a chance to be the one person who wins all this, you got to go to that video and do hashtag Yoda, and let's I hope get in there, and I hope you can win. Yeah, that'd be cool. Let me grab that figure. So here we go. I have the pilot already. Slipstream is his name. And I don't think this is the one I've had since I was a kid, no. But cool pilot. I like him. So we'll keep Slipstream here to go in the jet once we have it all done. All right. So he told me the box was pretty ragged. Yeah, he had to build a side to it. The box was pretty ragged. It was basically a throw-in. But we do have a Slipstream file card on the back. That's pretty cool. This ship is awesome. This jet is so cool. I guess I have a bilingual box. So let's see. We got a bag of parts. So we're going to have to put this thing together. We have the ship itself, the vehicle itself. Hey, wait a minute. And we have this, and there's an insert. He told me there were no inserts. So we got 2 bags of parts to go through. And look at this. There's a slipstream inside of it, which I thought he said he didn't have a figure. I think the head on this one is better. The head on this one's better than this head, but this one's body is better because this body is discolored. I might end up taking these apart and building one figure out of the 2 of them. Taking the back. Well, they both have nose rub. I don't know. I'll probably leave him alone then. I don't know. We'll see. We'll leave them over there. All right, so let's see what we got here. We got an extra engine, with that, which that has an engine. We got extra wheels. Or does this not have wheels on it? No, it's got wheels. Oh, this. That's broken. That's why he gave us the extra parts to replace this. Okay, we'll do that. Then we have a canopy. This canopy's slightly better. 4 yellow missiles, 2 gray ones, and we got the wings for the back. They'll go in these tracks there. And then we got more of this stuff. Let's see here. We got more missiles, more gray missiles, small wing, engine cover. Okay. So we have a couple sets of items that we can choose from. These are pretty, some of them are pretty dull and some are pretty bright. You see the difference there? Some missiles are dull and some missiles are bright. Oh, they're totally different. Some have this weird point and some don't. Huh. I wonder what the difference is there. M41941, M4942, M4943, 4942. Huh. Interesting. This one has a better sticker, so I might use that one for one of them. I don't know if this matters or not. Like, what do the different numbers mean? I don't know. I don't know. All right, so I don't need that engine part because there's an engine on there. I need this. I need this. I need a new wheel. We don't need that wheel because that's on there. I'm going to use this wing because the sticker's better. This wing is a little chewed up on the end up here. So I'm going to use this wing. So they should be opposite. Yeah, okay. And then those two are extras. We need these two black wings. I don't think I need a canopy. And then we need some bombs. So I'm going to go with the really good gray. See, there's dark gray and like a bluish. I don't know which one goes which. I'm going to use the blue ones, I think. I don't know. I don't know. And then we have pointy missiles, or I like the pointy ones better myself, I think. So I'm going to use the pointy ones for this and keep these as extras, I suppose. And then we have an instruction sheet, mounted double fang. Oh wait, this is a Python Conquest X-30 sticker sheet, or instruction sheet, not the... Yeah, this is a Python patrol. So it's the wrong instruction sheet, but that's probably why he was saying I don't really have any of the inserts. All right. That's okay. I don't mind having a Python one. I can trade it for something else. There's a bunch of extra parts for trading fodder, right? All right, so first thing we need to do is get this wheel off and fix the wheel. Jeez, can that come? How do I get that off? Wow. That does not want to come out. I'm going to have to pause this. All right, I got it working. So now we have a landing gear there that comes out and works. And we have the back ones, of course, which unfold here and work just fine. So let's pull those out. And there we go. So the plane can sit like that. So like I said, there's no stickers. So we're going to have to get stickers for this. And the bombs, if I remember correctly, I think these go on the inside. Are these actually bombs or fuel tanks? I don't know. I don't remember. And then these. I feel like I remember I had this style of missile when I was a kid. I remember that pointy end and these barbs on here that those other ones don't really have. So, that's kind of why I'm picking this style over the other style. Wonder why they changed it. Did they change it partway through the production run, or was there a later version of this that had those other ones? And then we're going to put this thing on here. And this one is going to go here. Nice. And then we got these wings, which clip on here. And here. These, they really want to fold up. And then we have these wings which go in. That's a different wing. There are parts that don't. That's a different wing. These are two different planes. See, look at that. It's a different length, a different way of clipping in. See, these have pegs on them and these do not. So that's a different style plane. So there was a change in the production at some point where they went to a different style of clipping these things in and together here. Or there's an American version and a Canadian European version. There we go. That is the plane all put together. Cool. Wow. I am happy to have this back in the collection. That's really nice. We can put him inside. Back inside you go, buddy. He can stand on the outside, so you got one pilot in there, one pilot out. Yeah, I just need to get some stickers, and we got a good vehicle going here. Awesome. I'll give it a clean up, give it a once over, but I am excited to have this back in my collection. Holy cow. I can't believe it. This is so cool. So cool. Amazing. Really nice. Wow. Give you a good look at Slipstream here. Really cool pilot character. I like him a lot. And then we got the Conquest X-30 with its forward sweeping wings. Really cool looking plane. Very happy to have this thing back in the collection. I'm really excited. Don't know quite where I'm going to put this yet, but really excited to have it. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate it. I hope you guys had a good time looking at this with me and discovering that there's two different sets of parts, which I didn't know, but maybe that's why he put them in the bag, because he had both versions or something. I don't know. I don't really know what's going on here with the two different versions of all the parts. But maybe he didn't even realize it. Maybe he just thought he was giving it to me to fix this front wheel, and then realized maybe he didn't even realize there was two different parts. I don't know. But and then giving me that Python Patrol paperwork instead of the Conquest one. But anyways, I wasn't expecting a pilot or any of the extra parts. I was just expecting an empty plane and a box. So he went above and beyond by giving me all this extra stuff, as far as I'm concerned, because it's more than advertised. He advertised it as just a plane and a box, no pilot, no extra stuff. And so it's cool to get all this extra stuff anyways. All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Appreciate it. And I'll talk to you on the next one. See ya. Yo, Joe.